The house is almost ready for you. Anyone, if you want to maybe to rent, you are ready to come in. And then as you can show them at here, we have installed here. This is a full moon. As you can see, it will be providing a light on this section, on this front porch, front porch of this 4-bedroom house. And then as you can see, it changes its color. So as you can see, that is white, and that is warm, and that is warm and white. So it is in 3-in-1 color. And then so let me show you this outer part of our kitchen. So as you can see, this is our kitchen, guys. As you can see, this is the porch. This is maybe a small porch that coordinates with our kitchen. And then also we have provided our tiling there. So but at the end of the video, I will show you how is it. And then as you can see at this corner, how the molding work it was done perfectly. So if you want someone who does as exactly as you can this, and then you have to you have a job, you can kindly contact me, or I will just drop his number on the comment section, and then if you are willing, you can give him a job. So I will take you inside, and then I show you the let's say like the progress. How is it? So as you can see, we have not yet installed the door. So the door is discussed to be an imported door. So it's not yet imported to, is not yet arrived in Kenya. So but at the end of maybe 2 weeks, or we are still coordinating with it, and then after we'll come and install it over there. And then as you can see, so this is our corridor. It's already lighting. I think the electrician has done his part, but it's not yet complete. As you can see, this is a corridor that enters towards the bedroom and the kitchen. And then as you can see, we have painted a cream. All the house we have painted the cream. So we just go with this color. We choose only one color. So the client goes with the cream. So at time we goes with either white or cream. So we mostly prefer cream than white. So at least that for us it look just decent. As you can see here, this is the way that enters towards our sitting room. So the sitting room, as you can see, as I told you earlier, the person that then molding at outer part is the also one who did this amazing work on this path, on this way enters towards the sitting room. So as you can see, as you came inside, as you can see, so sorry, already electrician has done his part. As you can see, it is lighting. As you can see, the way they are showing you. So I will change, and then you see how it operates. So when it's off, guys, that is white. It is 3 in color, so that is white. And then it is maybe considered pink and blue, so it is on pink, and other one are on pink. And then this is white, and the combination of white and the other color that you have chosen. And then as you can see, here is our TV stand, but I think it has not yet powered on. But as you can see, guys, here this is our TV socket, and then the socket, our double socket, will be over here, will be installed here for provision for our television. And then I think there's this here that will be used. Maybe if you have a flower or anything that requires light, you can power. This socket is here for you. And then as you can see, this is our TV stand. So I think tomorrow they will be powered on, and then I will show you then how amazing is it. And then as you can see, so this site is still ongoing. So these as you can see, this cement will be used for tilings. So after the electrical work is over, the tiling, so we'll start installing our tiles. So as you can see, the quotation is here, as we have already done. So this is our cement, and then this is our tiles, guys. So if you want maybe a quotation for like tiles for maybe like us, for this amazing 4-bedroom. So these tiles, they are 170 pieces that will be used to complete this whole house. So this will be 180 pieces, 170 pieces. So that is the rough estimate, but we always go with the we always rank with 180, 170, 180, 170 there. So as you can see, they have already bring it on the site. So I think after electrical work it will be over. And then our cement are there. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So and then cement, it's 50 bag. So this 50 bag I think will be enough. And then maybe even if it maybe remains, it will be used somewhere else due to the site is not yet complete. And then as you can see, so I will take you to the bedroom. So I told you earlier, this project, it doesn't have a dining room. So this wall, as you can see, this wall will on the other side, it is for kitchen. But so we only go with this sitting room only. So but I think we've forgotten, we will come and then at least we have a small serving window over there that will be used to communicate with the kitchen and the dining. So I think we forgot it, but I have remembered. So we will have that done, I think, tomorrow. So I will take you to the first bedroom and then I will take you later. So and then as you can see here, these are the material for plumbing. So we have already done we have already have the quotation, and then we buy it. So at the so this is the material that the Fundi wrote for it that will be used for our plumbing. So I will take you to the first bedroom, and the common toilet that is over here. So as you can see, and then we had already used even this type of molding, like on the let's say on the sitting room. We always put it here, that as the way when you enter towards the master, what the public toilet in the first bedroom. So when you came from maybe the window, there's a small partition here that separate between a first bedroom and this public toilet. So let me take you inside, and then you see this is a public toilet. As you can see, as I've told you earlier, there's a provision, the things for the, how do you call it, for the plumbing work. The work is not yet, but I think we have shown the material that are over there. So I think they will come and then design the plumbing position for plumbing tools, plumbing, like maybe here there will be a toilet that will be put here, and then a shower will be over here, and then there will be a running tap that will be over here, and then there will be a hand basin that will be put over here. So up to there, guys. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. And then so let me take you towards this first bedroom. As you can see, this is the first bedroom, guys. As you can see, we have already done the floor, and then we have already installed the switching. I think is not yet working, but it will be considered. Look up later. And then we always provide a double socket in each and every bedroom. So double socket, as you can see, there's a double socket that we have placed over here, and then this will be used for strapping. As you came from the door, and then you want to sleep, there's no need to go back and then switch off or on. So we have already did this for easy provision for maybe you are asleep, you can switch off. And then over there's the provision for the air condition. And then there are two windows, as you can see. This is the first window, and the second one is over here. And then as you can see, we just choose a simple grilling style, as you can see. So we didn't just go with a complicated one. So and then as you can see, and then there's another double socket that is over here. So as I told you, we always provide a double sockets, 2 double socket in each room. And then as you can see, there's a lighting light that we have installed over there. So here we just go with a flat roof, flat ceiling type. We didn't install any interior, any gypsum design or nothing. So we only considered using a flat ceiling design. So I will take you to the second bedroom, and then later to the other bedroom, and then the kitchen. So this is the bedroom. As you can see, it has maybe the measurements are for this, and for the other one is just the same. It's just the same for the with the other one. As you can see, we have already installed here our switch. So I've told you earlier. Let me just demonstrate. As you it was this was off. It was off, and then you open the door, and then you put it on. So when you come to sleep, maybe your bed, maybe it will be like of this or this. So if your bed is on this side, and then maybe you have studied or you have finished using your laptop, so you will come and then put it off over here. As you can see, I've put it off over here, and then maybe even if you want to put it on, even you can put it on when you are just over here. And then there's a double socket that we have installed it on this side. So show them this double socket that is over here. So this is the double socket that we have installed here, and then there's a single window that is over here. As you can see, this is the design for the grill is just over the same as the other one. And then this is another double socket for this a single bedroom. So let me take you to the 2 bedroom. So these are the 2 remaining bedroom. As let me say that like they are ensuite, and then these are let's say it's just like an ensuite. So as you can see, this is the first master bedroom. There are 2. Let's say like there are 2 master bedroom. As you can see, this is the first master bedroom, guys. And then as you can see here, there are the plumbing materials. As you can see, so there are these 3 toilets on this side. So we have bought the 3 toilets. So the first one is there, the second one and the third one is just over there. And then this will be hand basin for use to wash hands. So this is the okay, show them this one. This one are the tool they will be used for hand basin. And then as you can see at the upper part, as you can see, guys, we have already done this electrical work. As you can see, guys, how is it? Is just for me, it's just quite amazing, guys. And then on this side, I think they have not yet installed this. This will be for a DP switch for maybe used for AC, and the other one will be a strapping for the lighting, and then a double socket over there. And then there are 2 partition here. So this first partition, that is maybe, let's say this partition will be for, how do you call it? This partition will be for dressing room. So as you can see, this room, you can just come and show them. So this room will be only we have designed it for dressing room. So this will be only for dressing room. So let me take you to this other one. As I show you, this one is our toilet. As you can see, even we have installed there, our lighting is working. And then as you can see, this partition, so the partition, there are 2. So this here and the other one is over there. So this one will be used, they will put tiles up and down here, and then they will be painting over there. And then I think they're pointing for the plumbing, so the toilet will be over there, and then our shower will be over here, and then the hand basin will be just on this point that will be over here. So as you open the door, the first thing that maybe we will meet is just the hand basin that will be installed there later by the plumber. And then let me show you the other master bedroom. So this is the other master bedroom, guys. As you can see, this is just almost of the same size with the other one. I think the electrician is not yet installed the lighting point for over this point, guys. It's just of same size of the other master bedroom that I show you. So this one will be our dressing room. Kindly show them. So this will be our second dressing room for this site, and then it has a small window that is over there for easily access for the light. And then on this other point, this will be our toilet. This will be our toilet, guys. As you can see, this will be our toilet. Already installed the lighting point, as you can see them. And then there's a partition here for a separation between the upper part that will be painted later, and then this one down here that will be used to put tiles at the end of the day. So let me take you to the kitchen. So I will take you to the kitchen, and then later and then I will show you exterior work, and then I think we will end up our video. So let me take you to this is our kitchen, guys. As you can see, this is our kitchen. Already we have installed everything, guys. As you can see, this is the socket. This is our double socket. So we are planning to just go with a worktop that will be used only MDF board. So we didn't just build the local one with the stone. So we are going to use MDF board. So our worktop will run from this. Show them. Our worktop will run from this here, going over here, and then up to somewhere here. So as you can see, this one, our worktop will end over here. So and then our cooker will be over there. So our cooker will come, and then we will just have a small a design that we'll put here to separate this one and the other one. So they will be here, our cooker. Already, as you can see, we have already installed this a cooker socket over there, guys. And then there's a store over here. I think this is the store for this kitchen, guys. This will be the store for this kitchen. It's not yet just much bigger, but it is just okay for the site. And then there's a double socket over here that will be used for. This will be for fridge. So our fridge, when our client will buy a fridge, and then will come and place it over here. And then on the upper, and then this is the way out lead us toward outside this amazing project. As you can see, this is the outer part for this kitchen. As you can see, we have already installed. We did this molding work on this outer. As you can see, guys, we go with three. The first one is here, the second one, and the third one is just over here. And then the painting work, we just go with the same painting work as the one in front of our house. So this is just a first coat, but at later we'll come and then paint a cream in color. So we just go with a cream we just go with a cream. So guys, I think up to there, I'll just appreciate you if you have got up to there. So I'll consider subscribing, liking, share, and then I will appreciate you so much. So let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.